Do you get frustrated thinking about what to make for dinner every day? If so, let me share with you a dish that we just came up with. And since it goes together in less than 15 minutes and uses ingredients that you probably have right at home, it's a no-brainer. We start by sauteing some thick-cut boneless pork chops after dredging them in seasoned flour. Once they're golden on both sides, we take them out, and in the same skillet, we add some chopped garlic and stir that around until it gets toasty. Next, we deglaze the pan with some balsamic vinegar and chicken broth. We want to make sure we get all the bits and pieces from the bottom of the pan stirred into the sauce to give it lots of flavor. Now we add in some diced tomatoes, along with a few capers and brown sugar. Then we add the pork chops back in. After this simmers and the chops are cooked through, dinner is served. What makes these so good is the combo of the balsamic vinegar along with the tomatoes and all those pan drippings. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our Tuscan pork chops. So this way, you won't have to worry about what to make for dinner tonight. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a juicy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.